Suresh Menon, Solar Industries India Limited Executive Director. Anticipating orders for the multi-mode hand grenade. As we mentioned in the last quarter that the impact of external factors, that is COVID pandemic, will be visible in the result of Q1, and the same will materially affect in the quarter. During April and May 2020, revenues were impacted by the severe lockdowns and restrictions. However, with the gradual lifting of lockdowns and easing restrictions, we could achieve the sales in June 2020, better than what we achieved in comparable month of the previous year. Coal production in Q1 was less than last year, by 12% as most mining and construction activity came to a standstill. Both central and state government imposed restrictions in manpower deployment and movement of goods and men in the mentioned period. Housing and infrastructure sector was grossly affected due to movement of migrant workers back home. Sales from exports and overseas have shown growth, giving us confidence of achieving our set targets in the sector. Though the impact of COVID was seen in countries like Nigeria and South Africa, but was offset by sales from Ghana. In a major boost for Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the first ever Pinaka rocket fully manufactured by your company, Economic Explosives Limited, have been fully successfully test-fired by the Army at the firing range in Pokhran, Rajasthan. It is for the first time in India's defense history that Pinaka rocket fully manufactured by private organization has been successfully test-fired. Further, we are anticipating orders for the multi-mode hand grenade soon. While our business continues to be profoundly impacted by COVID-19, we are seeing steady signs of demand returning in all the countries where we operate. With the expected boost from revival of the economy and turnaround in our overseas businesses, we expect our revenues and margins in second quarter 2021 likely to be maintained when compared to similar quarter of the previous year despite the severe impact of COVID. We will keep a watch on how the COVID-19 situation pans out and its impact on us, while we will not shy away from investment in any opportunity, which gives us a strategic advantage. That being said, it will still be challenging to predict the growth numbers for the subsequent year. We do target and anticipate our top line to cross last year's numbers. But on a conservative side, COVID-led uncertainties can impact demand from mining and infrastructure in India, and as a result, we may see a slippage by about 5% to 10%.